Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Anastasia, Russian language teacher. Today we will discuss some ways how to make it easier to learn Russian grammar. So first thing, you should have a plan of topics you have to know. For example, you can take this plan like for A1, there are special official documents, what topics you need to know. Or you can take the book and take a plan from there, like in every book will be kind of similar plans anyway, for example, for level A1 or for level A2. And follow this plan. So it's really kind of bad idea if you will just watch a random videos of Russian grammar. Everything should be like in correct order, first, second, third one. So if you will find the videos about grammar, watch better them. If you learn grammar, sure, don't forget to learn vocabulary. Also, books will help you with it, also in correct order. For example, the topic of places usually we learn with prepositional case, instrumental genitive with topic of food, and so on. Don't forget to repeat every time you learn a new topic. You have to repeat it at least for 5 times. Use it in your conversation, use it somewhere in the exercises, and practice it. You learned new construction, try to use it in your conversation with your friend. Then what I really love to make special tables. It will help you to make all this information in system. There are some special books with tables, but better do the ones your own that will help you. For example, you learn the cases, yeah? For every case you need to take special verbs we use it with, special prepositions that we use with this case, then the endings, of course, for this, and the meanings that this case can have. For example, prepositional case, the meaning of location, the place. Second one, it can be everything about like what we think about, speak about, like you write down these meanings. Then the endings for a prepositional case. Prepositions, for example, v, na. So if you see prepositions v and na, it already will help you to know that you use prepositional case. And special verbs that we use with prepositional case. So it's just the example. Or for example, if you learn perfective and imperfective verbs, you can also write them down together and all the moments to write there. Anyway, when you speak, don't worry too much. Even if you used incorrect construction, probably this person will understand you and sure will not carry too much, maybe will even explain you what did you do wrong. Be careful with taking new words from the book. I know some guys read the text, for example, from the classic literature or maybe from the article and then write down these words. Don't forget that in Russian, not like in English, we have many forms, and this word can be used in a form of genitive case, for example, and you will learn it like it is nominative, and then you will have trouble. So better you found new word in the book, Google this word in nominative form, like how it is written in the dictionary. Don't forget that the books can be a bit complicated. I remember when I learned other languages, I also did exercises in the book, but one moment I understood that it is too complicated, too hard. Like, yes, I read this information, I kind of understand, but not everything. And when you do exercises, always there are some exceptions or moments I didn't understand. So if you learn it by yourself without the teacher, you can, for example, do this topic and watch a video on YouTube that also will help you to explain this. Because I remember I did, for example, 10 classes of French or Spanish, and then like, what is it? What I don't understand. So use everything what can help you. I always ask my students do homework themselves. I mean, not using the online translators like Google Translator, because yes, it maybe will help you to make your examples, your sentences, but there will be the vocabulary you don't know. Maybe this vocabulary is too complicated now and we don't need it. or maybe it means something else. And second, sure, you use these complicated constructions and you don't understand why you use it. You make the sentences harder, more complicated, but we don't need it. We need to be able to construct these sentences ourselves. Yes, so we make it as easy as we can. I always say try to say it simpler. Don't say it so complicated. Try to use information, try to use the rules you already know. Anyway, when you read Russian text, try to catch the words, the forms that maybe you already know why we use it, like, okay, this preposition, this ending, this is, for example, dative case. Yeah, or this verb I remember, we use it when. Yeah, so try to analyze what you see. And if you want to learn Russian faster with the help of teacher, you can book a Russian language class with me. We will discuss your situation there and maybe we will continue working together. So have a good day. See you soon.